2 பேர் ஆனாங்க 3 பேர் ஆயிட்டாங்க
Like something's about to happen. Please pay attention. Taking any chances. You are just confidence is low. I am no rap guy. Do whatever that I gotta do. I guarantee it isn't that hard. I gotta get better and kill it, but I keep it real. No fuck. Real competition. I heard this motherfucker Charles Manson. They give me the time and I be blowing your mind. Guess I'm another lyricist. I was a cynical child. The innocence of Evan in the rich. You never really noticed that my flow was fucking ridiculous. Taking a pill, never sentimental. Seven of them that I say. I'm a goddamn monster. Call me nigga, Philly. I can feel him on a level that most of these other niggas don't really fuck with. I already noticed me. I spit it focusly. This is my passion, devoted. I can't quit. I came in and conquered by nothing. I pleaded for peace. I'm a beast and I treat all these beats like a feast. I don't need a delusional idiot. So inconsiderate. Fuck. Did it by yourself because nobody wanna help. But when I'm reaching for the belt, I keep it ringing like a bell. But I can tell it when it's something fake. I'm making a man for my sins with a hyphen. I bring it like a hymen. When I spit the big attention, I dimension. I defend it with a real caution. I'm living lawless, a nigga hardless, a fucking flawless. I wanna know that I'm living like a suicidal patient, pacing in my isolation. I can barely even things, so I've been giving the truth, looking for some peace of mind. So can I get it from you? What negative ever do? No, I never had a clue. My confidence is low. I am no rap guy. Do whatever that I gotta do. I guarantee it isn't that hard. I gotta get better and kill it, but I keep it real. No fuck. Ain't no competition. I murder this motherfucker Charles Manson. Son, you can hand me the torch. I be carrying that. I fell in love with the pain. I be marrying that. But if I take it from these niggas, I'm giving it back. I figured the flow was kinda forming a voice of my own opinion. Depending if it was given by the nigga that you hear right now. Got a positive aspect, a little misfit. These motherfuckers say them, but the silence can fit in. I'm remedying shit, a little bit of patience. I pray that I have that. I'm rap ass, it's that massive with a backlash, back ass. Money was the ashes out of that sack. Going up and down, my temperament is the NASDAQ. Ash rad, never distract. I'm giving contact and back. And every time you gotta step back. But you're independent, but never signing the contract. Never run the same way you got something more than that. Better get away from me before I give you a dirt nap. Hurt and it hurts and concern and I'm a certain but words and emerge to the sentence. I'm finna for my leisure. Leaving a leisure, proceed to the thesis. I wrote a real allegiance. I want nigga see this. Living on the side, I'm feeling like a genius. Tell me why the fuck you wanna start creativity. You listen to this and you hear something that's brand new. Murder any instrumental home and that's I can't do. Leave a negative comment, nigga, why can't you? Get the same man for the lead. This shit is very difficult, it seems effortlessly. How I swerve from verse to pro, now profan, slow down. Gotta let me catch my breath, time to impress. This is my vocabulary, I'm medically and I'm magically accurate. Basing it on the tongue and learning physical fit and great happily. I just keep living life like my mind navigates operations. Perpetual question, reversing solution tenacity. Using very vicious vision, work with what you did yesterday with his eye, got do with his xylophone. Don't you get it started what I do with a pen and I bet you trip and take the hour and touch from a nigga got him frantic. Bow to the spiritual figure like old friends. Take it to the Vatican, inside of my beat and I bend it over the pew like a pedophilic priest. Shit, should've sent in the case. No, I'm a pharaoh that's part of Egyptian religion that ended when Romans began to accept Christianity. I am omnipotent, call me Osiris, the god of the afterlife. I will transition the regeneration that I was resurrected. This truth for a liar, the way I am rocking this nigga. I'm a tire, a crown on my head with the largest of feathers. I carry the quick in the flood. If I'm better, it's in my next general story. I'm telling the king of the living. My life it was written on scores for the people. You step in my steep with the sea sacrifices. I'm licensed to carry my pen like a fire. I'm walking the crowded building. Now you'll find